All right, folks, just so you guys know, I'm gonna redo the shoot on this particular vehicle. I tried doing it yesterday, but it was too dark and I didn't like the way that vehicle looked, so I'm doing it again. All right, folks, here we go. This is gonna be a 2019 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle, 5.7 HEMI, all-wheel drive, former Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle. That is correct, former Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle. This was a slick top unit with 129,000 miles, going on 130,000 miles. Original silver, from factory. The paint looks great. Vehicle does have some scratches. Vehicle does have two door dings, which I will point out to you as I make my way around the vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country, folks. She's ready for her new home. This vehicle is in literally perfect condition. Once again, folks, this was a Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle, and for those of us that are familiar with that department, they have the best and most strict maintenance policy in the nation. Those guys are on top of their vehicles no matter what. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have window tint from the department that appears to be like a medium shade, not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination for the vehicle, and that is what it came from the department. The vehicle does have one hole on the trunk lid where I do have the black phantom GPS antenna. The vehicle also has working backup sensors and backup camera. All right, folks, this is gonna be the phantom antenna right here. It's the actual antenna. Once again, it's just here for look, not up. No holes anywhere else on the body of the vehicle. If you need to wash your vehicle and take it to one of those express car wash, that antenna is gonna stay put and it's not going anywhere. What you see is what you're gonna get. This is gonna be unit number 19-224. That is the actual unit number for this particular vehicle here. All right, folks, remember that I did mention that the vehicle has two door dings. They're gonna be on the rear right passenger door, and they are right there. Two door dings. That's all you're gonna see on this vehicle, nothing else. Folks, I gotta tell you that this vehicle did come with a semi-new set of Goodyear Eagles Enforcer tires from the department. Those are gonna be the 245 5517. That's right, great rubber from the department, folks. There you have it. All four steel wheels are nice and glossy, so I didn't have to recondition those wheels whatsoever. Folks, I gotta tell you that I did have the dual spotlights reinstalled back into the vehicle when I first got her in. There were no spotlights in place, and big shout out to Shannon in Washington for providing me with the spotlight assemblies for this Dodge Charger right here. Thank you, sir. Vehicle does have a nice set of clear lenses in the front. Everything does work. Folks, I also got to tell you that I did have the front bumper cover reconditioned, prep, and repainted. When I first got the car in, I had two holes right here from the wraparound that they used in the department. I didn't want to go with those holes. They were kind of big, so I had the bumper redone, and it looks new all over again. Let's go inside of the car, folks, and show you what we got to work with here. All right, folks, this is going to be the interior. On the rear, I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat, complete. All seat belts and buckles are in place. nice vinyl flooring. I do have nice, all 4 door panels are in nice condition. Oh, before I forget, just so you know, the rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. So if you do have passengers in the rear, they'll be able to exit out on their own without a problem. Driver's side seat is in nice condition. I do have one little tear right there. Okay. And a little tiny little tear in the corner over there where the seat hinge bracket is. Also, folks, I did have a good used OEM center console that I purchased on eBay. I installed it, complete assembly, cost me about $500, and I bought the wiring harness that goes with this console on eBay. That cost me about $80. So a total of $580 for that nice center console. Everything works. Cigarette lighter works. Auxiliary does work, and it also lights up. The cup holders lights up at night when the lights are on. Steering wheel does have a nice little texture. Nice little texture on the steering wheel. It's a leather steering wheel right there, folks. Honk does work. As you guys can see, vehicle came with three key fobs. 2 key fobs do work. One of those key fobs is not working, no bueno, so it's dead. The buttons are hard, so if you push them, nothing happens. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Oil pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 129,000 miles right now. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Come on, I'm late. There you go, 129,000 miles. I am gonna be driving this car a little bit more, so the miles are gonna be a little bit higher. I do jump in and out of other vehicles, so I tend to do that a lot. Super core air conditioner. Cruise control does work. It does have a factory Bluetooth. You can control everything from the steering wheel or the touch screen right there. That's the full screen, not the little one, which is a big plus. Come on, sorry guys. Stereo does work. The spotlights are LED as well. Okay, everything does work. Red LED, white LED. You can see that the serial lighter is lit on. Those are very dim, but everything does work. What you see is what you guys are gonna get. It's right there, guys, okay? All right, let's go to the trunk. The clock is ticking, so I'm gonna try to step it up, guys. If I do forget something, I'm gonna be sure to mention it on my eBay ad. Full spare tire, jack in place. Very nice trunk, not destroyed like most cars that I've seen. Very nice, like it. Full LED on the rear does work. Gotta step it up, folks. I got a little bit of more ground to cover. All right, here we go with the maintenance. PM services that were done here. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 new OEM irradium spark plugs on this vehicle. Transmission was also serviced. We did use ATF Plus 4 fluid and filter by Mopar. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Oil and filter. Vehicle does have a new Mopar battery that I had installed. Vehicle does have a new cabin filter. Vehicle does have brand new rear brakes and rotors. Front brakes were about 70%, so they did not need replacement, so I left those alone. Air conditioner system was recharged in this unit. It's nice and cold now. When she first came in, it was semi-cold, not too cold, but I already knew it was low and free, and so we did that for you. From the department, vehicle appears to have a new water pump. Let me clean this up here for you guys, I'm sorry. Front of the department vehicle appears to have a new water pump, tensioner, pulley, dry belt. Also, front of the department, I can see that this vehicle, one, either has a new engine block or the heads were done. I'm not used to seeing them this clean. I didn't put any shiny stuff on it. Even when the engine was nice and dirty, I can see that the heads were nice and clean. The aluminum was nice and clear, which tells me something was done here. And you know what? That's a big A+ for us. I've also had the passenger side upper control arm replaced. Let's see, am I forgetting anything else? The vehicle is not overheating, no funny noises. Let me be quiet here for a couple seconds so you can hear it yourself. The only thing you're gonna hear are gonna be the fuel injectors firing. All right, folks, there you have it. That suspension is nice and tight. This vehicle is very responsive. When you step on the gas pedal, she will pick up and go without a problem whatsoever, folks. Very smooth, very quiet coming down the highway. And yes, people, get out of the way for you. One last final look at this beautiful 2019 Dodge Charger PPV 5.7 all-wheel drive. All right, folks, I gotta go. If I don't talk to you, please do have yourself a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't talk to you. But I have some cars coming in. I'm sure you'll see more of me here in the next couple of days. All right, folks, this is the SoCal Police Cruisers. I gotta go. God bless. Take care. Thanks for watching.